Today's video, we are going to be unboxing my April GlossyBox. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, today's video we are going to be unboxing my April GlossyBox. This is my PR box, so this box has been gifted. I do pay for this box as well monthly, and I generally gift it to friends and family or store it away for giveaways and such. Here is the box, the pink box we've all come to love. This is £13.50 per month. If you subscribe for 12 months, I think that reduces it down to £11.50 per month. Down below in the information box, I'll also put it in the comment box as well. I have a code and a link. If you use that, you'll get your first box for a tenner, which is always nice to have a little bit of a saving. But yeah, opening this up. This is what it looks like. Just moving everything up so we can actually have a nosy. Right, there we go. There is a sneak peek for you. But yeah, we're going to go through this properly and see exactly what we've got. So in the box, we don't actually get a physical edit card. We get a little card like this. And it has a QR code on the back, and we can scan it, and it is a digital edit card. But this just tells us the name of the April box. The April edit is called Spring Awakening. I'm going to try and scan it. Normally it doesn't work for me. It has to be a black QR code, and it's doing it again. It's not scanning it. My phone will only scan a black QR code. So I've just gone on the GlossyBox website to see if there's any information about the Spring Awakening box on here, and there's not a lot of information in, if I'm truly honest. It just says, are you a lover of all things beauty? Then GlossyBox is the perfect subscription box for you. Each month we'll select 5 products worth at least £50 from the best beauty brands. And yeah, it doesn't go into any other details. So yeah, let's just jump straight in. First product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand IsoClean, and this is a professional brush cleaner. And I have had this before in other beauty boxes, but you normally just get a little bottle like this big. This one looks like a full-size one to me. I think it is. Oh. You take the top off and it actually has a spray bottle, so that's different. I like that. Like I say, I've had this in the past where it's just a little bottle and you don't get the sprayer on it, so that's going to be a lot easier to use it. This is definitely going to come in handy, and I must admit my brushes need a bloody good clean because they don't get cleaned very often. But we'll keep that a secret between us. We don't want anybody to know that I'm a dirty May, okay? Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Peter Thomas Roth, and this is a cucumber gel mask extreme detox hydrator. That sounds awesome. Refreshing, cooling, moisturizing gel helps to soothe the look of dry skin with cucumber extract. Yeah, that actually sounds really good. Use 2 to 3 times per week, blah blah blah. This is obviously just a little deluxe size, so you can use it maybe once or twice. Apply generous coat on clean skin and then rinse after 10 minutes. So it's quite straightforward to use. And yeah, I am going to definitely use this when the hotter weather gets here, because I get quite combination skin. Sometimes it can just be oily, other times it can get really dry. Sometimes it is like literally a combination of both on my face at once. So yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy that because it sounds good and it's a really good brand too. Third product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Bronzeado Mineral, I think, and it is a mineral bronzer. The shade I have got this in is Starshine. Let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. Just looking for the little tab because I want to swatch this. So there it is there. There's a little bit that's come out, so we'll just use that. That's a really nice shade. I've actually put a lot on there. Let's just blend it out a bit. That's really nice. What a lovely, lovely shade. I was a bit concerned when I first saw it because I thought, oh, it's going to be a bit too dark for me. I don't think it is, you know, I don't think it is. Really nice packaging, loving the rose gold lid there. Nice. I've never heard of this brand before either, so nice to get to try out a different brand. Lovely. The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Ulac. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And it's a cream colour. It is in the shade Regal. A soft sponge-like crease-free eyeshadow infused with luxurious pearlescent pigments to deliver a veil of ultra-light versatile colours in the light reflective shimmer finish that lasts all day long. Ooh, let's open this up and get it out and swatch it. This is what it looks like. Very nice, and it's glass as well. Just stuck my finger in it. That is what it looks like. I've literally just stuck my fat finger in it. But yeah, can you see? Ooh, yeah, it's cushiony. So that's what that looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. That's really, really nice. What a stunning shade. Looks stunning when the light hits it, like a wet look, but it's subtle at the same time. Nice. I'm definitely gonna have to try that out and see if it does last all day. I have a terrible problem where things, you can see there, look at my eye there, it's already creased. This is the one I've been wearing all day already, where it creases really bad, so I'll have to put it to the test. But again, a brand I've never heard of that I get to try out, which I'm super happy about. I love seeing what new brands are out there and testing them out. Interesting. The fifth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Spectrum, and it is a makeup brush. It's a smoky shader A40. Let's open this up and have a look. Very pretty. I love the colour. It's purple, and then we have a pink metallic. Very, very pretty. But why in all of the makeup boxes, not just this brand, all of the brand boxes, or majority of them, when you get a makeup brush, it's normally an eyeshadow brush, and it's normally a blender shader brush. But yeah, I do like it. That the colour is absolutely stunning, and that feels really good quality. But Spectrum always do amazing brushes that are quite affordable as well. Actually, they're not outrageously priced. Right guys, so this is the Spring Awakening edit, the April glossy box. What do you think? Personally, I actually really like this box, not just because I've been gifted it, it's actually really decent products in here. I'm really happy that later on in the month I'm going to get my box that I pay for, because that bronzer seems really nice, so I'll have two of them in my collection, which I'll be super happy about. The eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow thing is absolutely stunning. Very, very nice. Again, super happy to get the brush cleaner because my brushes are a bit dirty. A nice little face mask. The only thing I'm a little bit about is the eyeshadow brush. Not taking anything away from Spectrum. Spectrum brushes are fantastic. I love the brand. I just wish we got other kinds of brushes from them other than an eyeshadow blender shader brush. It would be nice to, I don't know, to get a powder brush, a blusher brush. Why has my head gone blank? A highlighter brush, so on and so on. But overall, no, I think it is actually a really decent box, and we definitely get my money's worth this month, which is fantastic. So thumbs up. What do you think though? Comment down below. Again, if you are interested in this box, I'll put a link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click, you'll get your first box for a tenner. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!